Assalamu alaikum, welcome back to the new episode of Explore China with Asim in Xi'an. Yes, today we are going to explore the big Muslim town, and it starts from here, Baiyuanmen, and here everything, this is the big street along the main street Baiyuanmen, but around is the Muslim town, and here you can see that in the circle of almost 3 kilometer from here, from this central point, you will feel around you have the halal food and souvenir shops, gift shops, but this is main famous street for the foods. So all the foods here are the halal food. So we are also going there. We will have the food tour, and also we'll see the things here and share with you. This street is very amazing street, and all the halal foods are available here. But remember that these all foods are the Chinese traditional foods, but in the halal variant. Means you can have the noodles, you can have the dumplings, you can have the wonton, you can have some rolls, rojamo, and also one famous recipe I have seen here, that is the goat feet. They make that, and also the meatballs, small potato, barbecue. These kind of all foods are available here. Viewers, this is one of the very famous recipe of this area. You can see these are the sweet sticky rice, and even though they have in the packed form, if you want, then means 15 RMB this small pack, and they use some kind of the Xinjiang apple, means anab, and also some sweets, honey, and the sticky rice. So this is one kind of the sweet recipe, very famous here. We have seen so many like this kind of the shops here around. Yes, this is the barbecue corner, and these are the squids for the barbecue, with seafood barbecue, beef barbecue, mutton barbecue, and this is also around here. We have seen a number of stalls of these things of the barbecue. Means this area people, they like the barbecue too much. You can see here, really this squid is so lovely, very big squid. Yes, these are the famous halal noodles, means they use the halal soup, and you can see the different kind of the noodles are here. And the most famous noodles here, we have seen one very difficult Chinese character, and that is a biang biang. So biang biang mian means very delicious noodles are here. So we are also hoping to try this biang biang mian. We will go inside and we will also show you. Yes, finally our biang biang mian are here. Means these noodles. In these noodles there are the chunks of the beef, black mushroom, some onion, these are the bell pepper, and some potato, a little soup inside, means very less soup in this thing. And one more thing, they said that you can add the little spices, because in this there is no spice. So here these are the roasted spices. So we just add a little spice in it, and if you want the vinegar, then this is the vinegar, otherwise no need. I don't want the vinegar, so then you can mix it very well. Okay, they are so much hot noodles, I cannot try in front of you, but I can try their beef to have the taste. Very delicious, because you know this beef they cook for a long time. There is a taste of the bone, there is a taste of the soup, some black pepper taste, and other spices, and really enjoyable. So we will have our lunch here, then again start to explore this full Muslim town. Viewers, here is very colorful recipe, and this is the rice cake. You can say sticky rice, topping with some sweets, and they cut it, means make one roll and then they cut it small pieces, put the sticks in. Here, this is the famous recipe around this full town, and that is the goat feet. And even though freshly if you want to eat, you can buy from here, or if you want in the packed form, they have packed it also. You can take it and then eat later. Viewers, here we have seen the meatballs. Actually they are called the tu bao ro. Tu from the tu means the stomach, means meat is covered in the stomach, and then they have this kind of form. Some are the plain variant and the spicy variant. Here they will cook it, boil it for the long time. As the meat becomes so much tender and soft, then they will serve it. And the one that 2 bao roe price here is about 18, 20 and 22 RMB. Different shops has a different price, but from 18 to 22 RMB. But it's really delicious thing. Because here is another recipe, and these are the corn crackers. Firstly, they fry the corn crackers in the normal form. Then they apply the different kind of the flavors, like the zira flavor, chaat masala flavor, spicy flavor, and even though I think this one is a black pepper flavor. It's really very delicious. I remember my childhood. Out of our school, these kind of the crackers were sold there. And that uncle often put some kind of the chaat masala on it. So here is also different kind of the spices, and with these spices actually make the flavor. It's really very amazing. Because here we have seen one lovely sweets shop, and these are the different kind of the sweets like the sesame seeds, coconut, the chestnuts, these kind of the different nuts they use to make these sweets, but they are really delicious. So you can even take the parcel from here and can take back to your home. It's really very enjoyable. Beside it, they have the fresh dry fruit shop also, and here even they are roasting the walnuts, automatic machine, and it is roasting the walnuts in the salt, and after that they can uncover it and can sell it. And if someone wants the covered, they can buy from here. Because here is the fruit cake, and you can see by this Chinese fruit they take and fry it, and after that they keep it, they make it in this fruit cake form. Remember one thing, this can be eaten fresh. You cannot keep it for more than 2 days. 3 days or 4 days, maybe the taste will be damaged. So mostly people prefer to take it the fresh, because this is the process of the fresh dumplings, and they are making, this is the material, filling material. There are the breads, and they are just rolling it, keeping it in this form, and after that it can go to this boiler, and here dumplings become the soft one. This is another recipe of this street, and here you can see this is the tofu. Chinese tofu is very famous. They have even the white tofu and the dark black tofu. These are the smelly tofu, and tofu is always be made by the soya bean. And also I have seen that in the street these small potatoes are too much eaten. Means they roast these, first they boil the potato and then they fry these potatoes with the different kind of the sauce, and then people are enjoying here. And it is also about one meal, means they will give you in one box only potatoes, but they are really very delicious potatoes. Now we have entered in one sweets shop, and there are really very colorful sweets. These some sweets are made by the flour, some are by the rice, some are by the grains, some are by the milk products. So different kind of the sweets are here. Mostly they are in the means they cut it in the form of the biscuits, the cubes, round shapes, and sometimes they coat it to make it decorated more. They coat it with the flower petals, and you can see even though they have the parcel packs also, they really looks very lovely. And whenever you can enter in these kind of the sweet shops, they also place these kind of the small pieces, so that you can try. If you like, then you can buy. Because here we have seen a delicious recipe. We have tried it. This is actually the boiled meat recipe, and it can have the mutton or the beef ribs, their tendons, their means full leg piece also, full leg also they can make, and also the goat feet. But this recipe take a lot of time to cook. Means they put some kind of the flavors like cinnamon or these kind of the things, and boil it for the long time, and also clean the water again and again, so that to finish the smell of the meat from there. But this recipe is not spicy. Yes, they can serve it with the spices. It's your choice that you want to make it spicy or you want to eat it plain. Viewers, as you know that all the flavors come with the spices, and these are the spices of this area. This is the oil roasted spices, these are the crushed spices, and these are the powdered spices. Some are used for the barbecue, and here also these are the spices but mixed with the sesame seeds. So these are the things that really make the flavor of the recipes. Here you can see this is the, and in naan is also in Chinese called the naan. So here they have made the different types, different shapes, different thickness, different size. These all are the naan. Viewers, here you can see these are the fried buntans and also the fish balls. They roast here, and beside it they are showing some kind of the recipes dipped in the different kind of the soup. And these soup are the different flavors. These are the different meat, the vegetables, the tofu. You just choose from that and enjoy your meal. Viewers, here you can see these are the different noodles, and noodles especially topped with the beef or the mutton stomach. Here they will cook, make them soft, and put some spices. Here all are the ingredients of that, and then they will serve you. Viewers, here we have seen the fresh pomegranate juice and also the juice of watermelon, and beside it is the flower tea of the China. Freshly roasting the tea. Here you can see it is still bubbling. So this flower tea is very famous in China. We have even shown you in the Hangzhou also, but they are selling here in this street. Yes, here we have seen one barbecue shop, and they are barbecue. Their barbecue has only the meatballs, and they are roasting them. People want with the spices or without spices. They will serve according to your choice. Viewers, here you can see these are the fried champs. From the here you can have the fresh champs, and then they will roast here on the plan on the stove. So really, it's only he selling only one recipe, but it seems to be very delicious. And one thing, remember that this full street everything is halal, so no need to worry. Because here we have seen the variety of the dry beef, and you see these dry beef are with the different flavors. This is a plain flavor, this is a spicy flavor, and this meat is used as a salami. This is without spices and this is with spices. The tender meat, and it is really very delicious. People eat it with the boiled rice or eat directly, or in the different kind of the recipes of the noodles, soups, they use this beef. Because here we have seen the beef patties, and they are also like the fried variant bread filled with the beef. And this also has the two flavors, spicy flavor and the plain flavor, but very delicious beef patties. Means it is also like one meal. If you eat at one time one beef patty, it is enough. Viewers, in the middle corner of this street there is one halal bakery, and here all products, means the material used here, even the meat material or the oil, everything is the halal. Even though they have handmade sausage here also, means these are the spicy sausage, sometimes plain are also available. These are the beef sausage, chicken sausage, other bakery items, the breads, patties, also this is like the cheesecake. You can see the filled meat cake, and but these all products are the halal products. Viewers, behind me you can see this is the most ancient mosque of the Xi'an, and it always be open at the special events like the Eid, Jummah prayer. Today is also Jummah, I pray here, and you can see as we just enter in the mosque, there is a big corridor here, and after this corridor there are the different kind of the halls, but this mosque is with the traditional Chinese infrastructure. Very beautiful mosque, and historical, has the historical values. From here if you can see that there is the main hall, and after the main hall there are the two more hall, means the open space, and there is a main hall where is the where everyone after the prayer. So you can see here we just enter in the main side, and after the main side you can see main corridor. Beside both sides there are the some pavilions type are the sitting areas, and behind is the main entrance, and inside is so much beautiful colorful patterns, a lot of space, people can sit here. You can say that the environment of this mosque is so much open environment, really very beautiful mosque with the Chinese infrastructure. Viewers, while walking through this street we have also seen some hot pot restaurants, and as we have already introduced you the hot pot, they will give you the flavored water or the bone soup, and then you can choose the vegetables or meat according to your flavor, and you just put it and have the freshly cooked food. होप यू लाइक आवर वीडियो. इफ़ यू लाइक आवर वीडियो प्लीज़ सब्सक्राइब आवर चैनल, लाइक इट एंड शेयर इट एंड वेट फॉर द नेक्स्ट एपिसोड. तब तक के लिए अल्लाह हाफिज़.